Guys, today we're going to be taking a look at some used car prices. We're going to stop at a used car lot, take a look at these prices and see how they compare to prices in your area. I know here, over the last 5 years, housing prices have went straight up. My property value supposedly has doubled, and so has my property taxes. However, used car prices, unfortunately, have followed the same trajectory, straight up. And I think probably more than likely they will come down in the near future because people don't have any money to spend. People can't upgrade their cars. They're driving what they have a lot longer because they can't afford anything else. So these used cars will probably come down in price in the near future, but who knows? Maybe not. The way the dollar is losing value, it's hard to tell about the economy. You have demand, and demand for used cars will probably decline because people will have to spend all their money buying food, paying for the utilities, keeping a roof over their head. And the vehicle they have, they will keep that serviced more, they will have that repaired, and they won't get bored really as easily and go buy something else. New car prices usually get hit first, and then more than likely used car prices. But we'll take a look at these car prices up here and see what they are and try to compare those with the prices in your area. Go in the comments below when I look at these prices and these cars. Let me know in the comments below what a similar car or truck or SUV would cost, where you live at. 2020, 173,000 miles. Same as $30,000 for this truck here, as you can see. $30,000 for this truck. Dodge. Turbo diesel. I don't think so. I don't like Dodge trucks anyways. You may, but I don't. Here's another one that's 119,000 miles. 2019 model. It's a $44,988. Turbo diesel. So $44,000 for a used vehicle. This one here's a 2019, 160,000 miles, and it's $35,988. Turbo diesel. So between $30,000 and $40,000 for used Dodge trucks. Apparently, everyone is trading in their Dodge trucks. But here's another one with the bed off. Sorry about all the car noise, guys. Now we're getting more like it now. Toyota Tacoma. One of my favorite trucks. Toyota Tacoma. This is a 2019, 159,000 miles, $25,988. That's about what I gave for mine when I bought it new at the dealership in 2015, actually. So I think mine was like 30, 31 at the time. So here's a used one now. It's almost the same price I gave for a new one in 2015. Another Dodge, $9,988, 2019 model, 174,000 miles on it. Another Dodge Classic. This one here is kind of an older model Dodge, or Ford, I mean. You can see a Ford. 8,988. Doesn't say the miles on this one. Might be ashamed to put it down there, don't know. It looks pretty good though, the truck does, actually. But I would say it's up there in the miles. 2019 model F-150. Silverado. Got a few scuff marks, you can see. In places like here. I look short in that reflection. I look short and fat, but I'm not. Pretty rough. 7,988. 233,000 miles, 2011 model. It's over 200,000 miles on that one. minivan. If you've got some kids. $11,988. This has 124,000 miles. You can see. $16,000 for this one. 2019, new tires, leather seats, 229,000 miles. Look at these Jeep prices over here right quick. Cooper Auto Sales. Chris Cooper, I know him personally. He's actually a good guy. 2020, 74,000 miles, $27,988 for 2020 with 74,000 miles on it. As you can see here, these things are really, really popular right now. These Jeeps are. (2018) 153 miles, $16,988 for that one. We'll go over here and look at these over here and see. The guy checking the cars out, his own self looking around. I don't see any prices on these here, on these few. Here's one. It's a Toyota. $9,988. And it looks like it has 2013, 161,000 miles all-wheel drive on that one. As you can see. 5,988, 90,000 miles, two-wheel drive this one is. As you can see here, this is the Nissan. Not too bad, it's kind of a rough, but not too bad of a price actually. If you just want a vehicle to drive around. Can't see how good it is, but I know Chris has been honest with me when I've ever bought cars or anything or had any dealings with him. 2015, 101,000 miles, $8,988. This is one, a Jeep. Little Chevrolet, $8,988 looks like there on that one. $9,988, 132,000 miles, 2018 Kia. Another Kia, $7,988, 156,000 miles. Another Jeep. This has been here a while. The sign has been up so long in the sun that it's faded. I can't really see what the price is. $11,988, I think what it is. Another Kia, $11,988, 114,000 miles. That's 2019 model. Another Kia, GMC. 2020, 98,000 miles, $15,988. You can see there. Nissan, 158,000 miles, $9,988. And there's my truck. Toyota Tacoma 2015, 194,000 miles. I think the further back we go back here, the cheaper the prices get. Now that Ford over there is $4,488. This thing here, I don't even know about it. Another Kia. This paint is a mess on this one, you can see here. $5,988 on that one. Quite a bit of Kias. Apparently people trade these in quite often. $6,988 for a Kia. Kia, $7,988. Ford, 184,000 miles, $7,988. You can see here. Kias, all kinds of Kias. Ford, Super Duty, Power Stroke. It's always what I was when I was dating, a Power Stroke. Power Stroke. Pow, pow, pow. Get up in that thing. Anyway, 6.7 liter Power Stroke turbo diesel. I don't see the price on this thing nowhere. Can't tell. Oh God, there it is. Way up there. $68,988. 2019 model. Personally, no friggin' way would I do that. Anyways, guys, that is it for this lot tour. Leave a comment below to give me your thoughts. Let me know what used car prices run in your area. Used cars, trucks, SUVs. Anyways, guys, from Cooper's Auto Sales, I'll see you in the next video, hopefully.